Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today I have some more great trading setups for us that can potentially boost your trading profits immediately. Today is the 6th of October, Friday, and we're diving into some indices, Forex trades, and still Bitcoin I'm watching. My first pick for the day is still the New Zealand CAD. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Please take note of the disclaimer in the description. At the end of this video, I will also show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. This is an open trade that I've got, and we are now a few days in this. We started the trade down here. We added on the breakout there. Been trailing the stop loss, setting targets on yesterday's video at 1.27, 1.618. Today I'm trailing the stop loss to these long lower shadows here on the candles. If you understand your candles well, you'll understand that that's good support levels. Market rejecting the lows, and I'm going to put it like 10 pips below that level there to lock in some profits. So we went from risk to break even to in the money in a question of 2-3 days. So now it's just a question of running to the targets, and I see this is busy making a new high there now. While I was preparing, I went for this one, but I think now with the new high I will even increase my stop loss to that low on that white candle, minus roughly 10 pips. So that lock in quite a nice profit for us. There's no new trades on this one, just the open trade. Next up is the pound. The pound, I'm looking for shorts at this level. It is busy cutting through it now, and I'm still interested, but as long as we stay above this black line, I'm not going to execute a trade. So I would like to see this come back down. There's news in the market now, so we will see. I need a retest then on that, but I will see after the news on a Friday afternoon. So for now, I will just sit and wait and see what's happening here. Euro, also some news. We just had the news coming out as it tested the level there on the 4-hour charts there. I'm moving to the 1-hour chart now. It did cut through, give a little bit of a shooting star there, which was good enough just earlier today to take the trade. So on the 1 hour, you can see the 4 hours level, the level there. I've showed it on yesterday's video also. Now it tested there, nice shooting star. If I'm going to zoom in on the 1 hour charts, you see the shooting star. It did cut through slightly there. I like to put about a 10 pip stop loss above that candles, and yeah, there was opportunity to get into the trade on the close earlier today there, even on what we call the sweet spot halfway of the shadow there. So that can also be done, and seemingly the news is pushing it now in our direction. So risk on this trade was there, it was about 20 pips, just less, but let's call it 20 pips. And you can see here we're on 22 now, we're on 35, so it's almost the time to start to take some profits off on that on a 1 to 2 risk reward. I would love to get roughly 40 pips on this one, and that's where it is now. That's just the news pushing it down for us here. Right, so that is a great one playing out while I was making the video, and that's the level that I told you yesterday to watch. So if you watched it, you could have a nice profit now with me on this one. All right, so currently that's playing out, so I'll see. I will close half the trade and I will go with the rest of the trade for much lower targets. That's just the 1 hour trade that will give me a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2. Now I will push on the 4 hour charts way below. That I will do on Monday again, so we will see then. The US Swiss, I said yesterday we should look at this level. We had this long white candle. Let me zoom in. We had the long white candle there, and I said to you on the halfway mark, look for a 1 hour reversal. Now what happened was, when we got to the halfway mark, it went beyond, and a nice bullish engulfing. However, look at this black line here. You see this black line here? That was the market structure. So that means I've said to you we had 4 closes below, 1 above, so I needed confirmation. So it went way below that, could not close back above that support level, so that 1 hour trade was not legit, so no entry on that one. Not something that I would like to do. I do not like to do any trades that is, I'm not going to buy right at a support level, as simple as that. For now, there's not much we can do here, as the market, obviously news came out, dollar bullish, we can clearly see that. Then moving on to the New Zealand Swiss, We had a little flag pattern. We're busy getting the retest now of the support level. So this is something I will have a look at. That's the 4-hour chart. We'll go back to the 1 hours here. It's going to be a little bit spiky, so most likely I'll delay any form of entry until Monday. Then on the Aussie New Zealand, that's something we shorted up there. We had the 1 hours a few days ago. I think it's 2 days or 3 days ago. We had a nice dark cloud cover. That was the short. There was another bearish engulfing short opportunity. That didn't give an opportunity and nothing else, but hitting targets now very nicely. We started out with a stop loss of about 20 pips, and at this stage on these lows we're up 60 pips, and that's where some of my targets are lying, and I see that just got hit with the news. So that's very nice. We also had the 4-hour entry after that. There was the 4-hour bearish engulfing with a stop loss of about 35 odd, and that targets are a little bit further. We look at this Fibonacci swing here, this closest one here, and the 1.27. That was one of my targets there. So that'll be a 60, and the final target would be about a 80 pips. So that's what I'm after. Anyone that are in this trade, I'm going to trail my stop loss to that high to get it on break even. So now that you have hit some 1 hour targets, now it's a time to get your stop loss on the 4 hours now to ensure that you can't lose money. With Bitcoin, still see this falling trend line, nice support level coming in. I'm waiting for the retracement there on Bitcoin, and then I will execute some buy trades. This is a daily chart. I will wait for a 4-hour reversal there on Bitcoin, but that might be, I'm very early in this, but that you can see what I'm watching. On the Euro CAD, if you look at the Euro there, CAD there, that's still in line. Now it's coming down on the dollar strength, approaching my entry level, so I'll see later today or Monday. This is a 4-hour chart. I would like to see a 1-hour reversal at this level. I've identified yesterday and today as strong levels. Pound, nice triangle, run up the page, triangle. Now the pound is breaking. Pound Aussie, that seems like the one that I want to be in, so I'm just not going to do anything at present now. It's crazy news on a Friday afternoon, but I'll wait for a retest and then a 1-hour candle reversal there either this afternoon or then Monday morning. Aussie Swiss, this is the one that we got the short on earlier. Aussie there, Swiss up there. So here we had our bearish engulfing on the 4-hour chart. You can clearly see that, and nothing else after that. On the 1 hours, we also had the dark cloud cover there on the 1 hours, and your risk on that trade was roughly 20-25 pips. You can see it's run now quite nicely down the page, but still very difficult to get some profits out of this trade. Definite targets on this one would be the swing from there to there, and once we hit anything on 1.27 and 1.618 Fibonacci's, that's definitely time to take off some profits. I see some support levels coming in here. You can see there. So I would reduce my target to slightly before the 1.27, roughly at that area there. Pound CAD, also one of my favorite setups. I'm waiting for the reversal of the support level. You can see Pound CAD. I need the support level there. 1 hour reversal there would get my attention this afternoon or then Monday morning. Euro New Zealand, we had the opportunity to be short from up there. There was plenty 4 hours. You can see how the market was rejecting those highs. On the 1 hour candles, you had like a bearish engulfing, but that was very early in the morning. But yeah, we had another bearish engulfing, very nice short off that. And your risk on this one, 70-80 pips, and that brings you down to about 100 there. So trail the stop losses on the 1 hour trades, obviously as it comes down, making new lows, and that trailing stop losses got trailed out there at a handsome profit of roughly 60 pips. So it's a 1-to-1 risk reward. On the 4 hours, there was no real entries that I used, just the 1 hours, and that got trailed out. So that is another winning trade that we've done for this week. Australian dollar, cutting through this level now. That's the trade I planned earlier. Nice consolidation and the breakout short. So there is definitely a breakout short. I will also look now for the retracements, the retest, and the 1 hour reversals. Currently the stop loss should be up above that structure there, and but once I get retests in the afternoon or Monday, I will then start to look for 1 hour reversals. My favorite trade for today was a short on the Dow. But first, if you are new on this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trading idea videos. Now let's get back to the Dow. Unfortunately, because of the news, it did not hit the level and I could not get what I want. But I'm still there with it. I just spotted this. I didn't prepare this, but I do like this consolidation. And I would now look on Monday for the break and the retest. We got the break here now. So there would be nothing wrong shorting this consolidation. If it's on the news, I won't do that kind of thing. But I would wait now for 1 hour reversals as it retests this trend line. So we had sort of a flat top triangle. And now it's going to fail for that matter. So if we get the retracement and a retest on the 1 hour charts, that would be a really, really nice one to do. But guys, trading isn't just about my insight. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, and tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with my trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Until then, trade well.